Hello, we're Iveta Simone. Today it's Simone, and today I'm just going to show you a very quick, very simple recipe called granola. So it's great for breakfasts, it's great for putting on desserts to decorate. It's beautiful with yogurt, fat cream yogurt, and this granola, and also with a sugar-free syrup. So come and join me and let's get going. Okay, so in a bowl we have 2 cups of coconut flakes. The flakes here, these ones here. We have 2 cups of cashews. We have 2 cups of almonds, 2 cups of pumpkin seeds, 2 cups of sunflower seeds, 2 cups of walnuts, 2 cups of pecans, and 1 cup of pine nuts. Also put some pine nuts in there. We have 3 tablespoons of chia seeds and 2 big tablespoons of ground cinnamon, and it's all been mixed in here. And now we're going to add 8 tablespoons of melted coconut oil into this. Give this a nice stir, and right at the bottom, and I'm just going to add the coconut oil, 8 tablespoons, and we'll mix it all together. So here we go, 8 tablespoons. And we'll go back here and mix it all together before we bake it. So we bake it at 120 degrees. 120 for you guys Celsius, and we bake for 20 minutes. But in 10 minutes, what we do, we just stop the oven and we just take this out of the oven again, and what we do is just blend it all together so everything's evenly cooked. Okay. This is absolutely beautiful. It smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. And just make sure that everything is blended in there. Cool. Okay. Okay, so I've got my lining paper here, greaseproof paper, and I'm just going to put this all over here, making sure that all of the oil is all spread, which I can see it is. And the chia seeds are there, and we'll spread it out all corners of the earth, and that's why we're baking it very slowly on 120 degrees Celsius in the oven. So make sure that your oven's not too hot. Okay, and I'll cook this for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to put it all together and mix it all up again. Okay, so I've evenly spread it everywhere, and into the oven she goes for 2 minutes. Seriously, if you could smell this now, it smells absolutely beautiful. So there you go. This is nicely made. So I'll put it in an airtight container and use it just like it's a muesli. And love it with yogurt and a bit of sugar-free syrup. The yogurt, of course, has got no sugar in it, and full fat, believe it or not. So let's eat it. Try it. So I poured a bit in here, and as you can see, it's got full fat cream yogurt, no sugar, and the smell of this granola is absolutely beautiful. It smells like beautiful coconut cinnamon kind of smell. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I've got some maple syrup here, sugar-free. I'm just going to pour a little bit over there, and yum, let's try it. Okay, so let's try this. It looks absolutely beautiful. I can smell it. It's absolutely, the coconut, you can smell the coconut and the cinnamon together. It's absolutely gorgeous. So you can really taste the coconut, and you can really taste the, excuse me, the cinnamon. Is absolutely gorgeous. The strength of it is just enough. So try it and let us know in the comment if you tried it and if you loved it. Otherwise, we'll see you later.